What's up everybody, welcome back to another video here on your girl's channel. So today we're going to be doing another product review and we're going to be reviewing the Mielle Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger collection. Jesus, a mouthful. The only two products that I got from the line is the styling gel and the hair butter. At my local Target, it didn't have any other products, but I know for a fact they have a shampoo, a leave-in conditioner, an overnight mask, and a few different items in that collection. So if you really want the whole collection, you should definitely check their website themselves. So the way this house is set up right now, I do have to do voiceovers because literally everyone is home. This coronavirus is taking over the world, guys. It's crazy, it's ridiculous, but we need to stay focused on positive and good things. So with all that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the back of my hair, the usual, but I'll save you all that trouble because you didn't really see anything. So I already finished the back, guys. These products had great slip, okay? It had really good slip, so I was able to finish it within 20 minutes. So I'm going to show you guys the front section and how exactly I work these products into my hair. So as you guys know, who have been watching me for a while, I have low porosity hair. So in the front of my hair is currently dry right now. So I'm going to add in some water, of course, to just make sure it's moisturized. I'm going to part it down in the center. The only reason why I'm doing it so neatly is because I do have to go out. Every time I have to go out, I will do it neatly. If not, it's pretty much winging it on its own. So I'll go ahead and add more water to make sure my hair is fully saturated. And then you guys know I love my new steamer from Curido. I have a whole review on that video, so I will leave the link above or the link below so that way you can go check it out. So I add the heat to open up my hair and then I go in with the butter. Now these are the only two products that I'm using. The butter is thick, it is creamy, and I think for low porosity hair it's very hard to blend in. So that steamer comes in handy where it adds heat to the hair and it opens up the follicles, so the moisture just goes into the strand, so that way my hair is fully moisturized and the product just glides through the hair very nicely. As you guys can see, my curls are popping with this moisturizer. So the hair butter is supposed to pretty much boost shine, lock moisture. This is exactly what it did to my hair. As you guys can see, I add the steamer like I mentioned and I'm gonna just blend it in. Once it's blended in, I go ahead and section my hair once again, part it neatly, and then add the gel and braid my hair the way I need it to be braided. The gel itself, it definitely is very light, right? Very light. So it has a lot of slip, which is great, and it just blended through my hair and it was easy to comb and detangle while adding the product into my hair. The gel is supposed to be a non-flaking hold. It also has no crunch with no alcohol, and it's supposed to hydrate the hair as well. I think it did all these things because when I was opening my hair, there was no flakes with these products, absolutely none, and I'm really shocked. But like they said, it's a no flaking gel, and both the products work very well on my hair without adding a different line, without adding anything extra. The line itself is produced with avocado, coconut oil, olive oil, and ginger to promote hair growth and prevent breakage. The whole line is mostly about moisture and just to protect the hair in general. Okay, so as you guys can see, my hair is properly done. It's neat, it's braided, everything looks good. I'm feeling myself okay. Get it, get it, get it. But as you guys can see, you see a little bit of white residue on my hair, but when the day is over and the following day comes, you'll see that it disappeared because the product itself actually soaked into my hair afterwards. Trust me, that white stuff don't last, because I went out and took pictures as well. So yeah, so now is the following day, and as you guys can see, white stuff all gone. Like I said, I just added my favorite oils to allow my hair to have a proper shine and my fingers to glide through my hair. Now I will tell you guys, doing the braids is a little bit harder than doing twists. You really have to take your time and taking down these braids, because you get a lot of frizzing, because my hair frizz extremely fast, and especially when I use a very light gel, it is very hard to keep a hold. So I take my dear time. I think this was the longest. I took my dear time unbraiding my hair, because it tangles, it will frizz if you don't take your time. So I think the main and the most important time is how you take down your hair in general. So just hang in there, take your time, do what you need to do. Okay, so this is pretty much my hair with me just taking out the braids. I did not do any further detangling. I did not do any further separating or anything like that. I'm just feeling around my hair to make sure all the braids are out. And this is what the hair looks like. It looks full, it looks defined, and I'm just going to separate a few of the strands, but not too many, because I know with this light gel it mightn't hold for a very long time, which indeed it didn't. Within day 2 it was all gone, but the first day the definition was popping, the second day the definition was good, but there was a lot of frizz. So I'm not gonna lie, there was a good bit of frizz. The gel didn't hold well, but there was no flakes, there was no hardness, there was no white residue, which is excellent. And as you guys can see, my hair is on and popping. And now I'm gonna hit you with a full montage on how the hair looks in the heat with better lighting. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the other hundreds and thousands and millions of videos I'll be making here on YouTube. Peace.